Good morning, everyone. My name is Dibedan Taurasa, and today I'm going to present my final project called GoSeat. It's my development project. So, it's an online course seat reservation system made for the United Kingdom. So, now let's start. Introduction and background. GoSeat is a web-based booking system for coach seats in the UK. The goal is to make booking long-distance coach travel easier and faster. Right now, many coach booking system websites are hard to use, especially on mobile phones, because they don't give real-time seat updates or have helpful features for user and admin. So I want to improve this by building a system that is simple, secure, and convenient for everyone, like tourists, students, and local travelers. Now I'm moving to the vision and mission. So let's see, my vision is to create a digital platform that simplifies long distance coach travel by ensuring it's safe, efficient, and centered around the needs of the user. And the mission is enabling smooth, effective, and inclusive experiences for long distance coach travel. Now move to research problems and objectives. The problem is that current coach booking system in the UK are not very user friendly. I mean, they don't have so the real seat availability like I'm going to tell about. They have the features, but it's poor. In my opinion, it's poor. So they are not good on mobile, and they don't support features like student discounts or multi-language options. Some companies have some are poor in these systems. So my objective is to develop a real-time, easy to use online reservation system to improve coach travel in the UK. So now we'll move to the literature review. So I did theoretical and empirical literature review. When I researching, I found that online booking system have grown quickly because they are convenient. And good UI UX designs are very important for the user satisfaction. So this is very important to use UI UX designs. So I also looked at existing companies like I'm talking about now the industry case studies like in Imperial Literature Review. So I analyzes some companies like National Express, Felix Omigo, and Check My Bus. So I research their strength and weaknesses. So now talk about those similar systems. So I compared four main systems I already told you: the Check My Bus, Omigo, National Express, and Felix. I looked at what they do well and where they are weak. For example, Check My Bus has good filters but no direct booking. Omico has a nice interface but no live chat. National Express gives real-time updates but have limited payment methods. Flixbus is good internationally but lack of multi-language options. These comparisons help me to decide what features to add in GovSeed. So now see my case study comparison table. I already give detail in my coursework, so I make a small table. These are the short points of the strength, weaknesses, and what lessons I got for integrate my system. I mean the GoSeed booking system. So um, in this table, I saw the strength and weaknesses of these four systems. For example, Check My Bus has powerful filter but weak mobile UI. I mean user interface. So Amigo looks good but redirects bookings and like live support. National Express is trusted in the UK but has limited payment options. Flixbus covers many countries but has limited language and payment option. From these I learned valuable lessons to improve my GoSeed online seat reservation booking system. So I identify the gaps. I found 8 main gaps in existing systems. Some of these are not in app chatbot, no real-time notifications. I mean, they have, but it's poor and limited accessibilities and no platform for special tours. In my project, I mean, in my GoSeed project, this is I additionally import. So for the event, for any special tours, we can book special buses. So GoSeed is designed to solve these problems. Now we dive into the methodology. So I used Agile Agile methodology. For this project, Agile is flexible and allows continuous improvement, and I worked in short sprint cycles and used Scrum to manage tasks efficiently because I use this Agile methodology helped me to plan my work and help me to do my plan correctly in the correct path. Now see about the database development. So for the database, I use MySQL because it's reliable and fast and a free source as well. So it's good for sorting and managing all the booking, payment, user data, and the coach details and the trips, etc., in the database. Easy to manage. So I use this my PHP my admin for my MySQL for the database. So now we see about the technologies I used. I used different technologies for this project for coding, Visual Studio Code, testing Google Chrome and the Mozilla Firefox. Sorry, um, for the version control, GitHub and Git for database, PHP for front end, HTML, CSS, and the Bootstrap, JavaScript for the backend, PHP, and REST APIs. So now see about this is my work breakdown structure. I divided 7 phases like I project initiation, requirement gathering, like that. So I divided like the 7 phases. So according to these phases, I plan my project. This is my project plan. I plan from the December to April, so from nearly 19 to 20 weeks. So I plan and I did very well. Yeah. So this is my work breakdown structure, and the second one, the requirement gathering. I need to tell about this. For this requirement gathering, I prepare the questionnaires, and in the Google form you can see this is my Google form. So these are the questionnaires. So these are the questions I prepared, and lots of people respond me, and I took charts. I get the results like in the chart, and you can see 87.5% of the people book online systems. They reserve online in online their seats. So lots of people like to travel in the bus. Lots of people choose is going on the bus. So I plan like this and I did it. So now we dive into the system designs. The system design include both user and admin functionalities and the AR diagram. AR diagram is the main thing. So the AR diagram shows the relationships between user, booking, coaches, trips, and payments. Like I give some small examples. Like one user can have multiple bookings. A trip is assigned to a coach. Payments are linked to booking. Seats are linked to specific trips and assigned to user upon booking. So you can see this is my diagram. I detailedly explain in my project work. So Lots of relationship and entities like routes, stand, third bus, users, stop, trip booking, bus bookings, payments, customer feedback, like lots of entities I give. So I detailedly explain and I give data dictionary as well in my coursework. Now this is the main thing in my presentation, artifact demonstration. Before delve into my goal sheet, before I run my system, I need to tell about the core functions. Core functions are seat bookings, booking cancellation, cancelling, view schedule, customer help service like chatbot, account creations like that. So now we see the passenger functionalities. They can search bus, the coach, sort coaches, seat booking, book bus for tours, view bus schedule, give feedback, customer help, chat box, bot. And now see about the bus operator functionalities, login, view seat bookings, view feedback, view account. And the admin functionalities are login, view account, and coaches, add coaches, edit coaches, delete coaches, canceling feedbacks, contact messages, add coach, delete coach schedules, edit, create accounts and edit accounts, remove accounts, view tour requests, confirm tours, like that. So now I'm going to run my system. Hmm, yeah, going to run my system. I use the XAMPP server for connect to my PHP my admin. So I already connect. This is my database, PHP my admin, and this is my database. Although all are updated here, so I have already had some details for demonstrate my system. So here this is the searching bars and this is my home page. So now I'm going to system website. So now I'm going to demonstrate my system, how it's working, how the functions are working, and I use SAM server, SAM control so panel to connect my server, PHP my admin. So this is my database connection. So I use the SAM server to connect my database to PHP my admin. So now I'm going to explain how it's working. So now I am a customer, so I'm going to book 2 seats. So I'm going to book Swansea to London. So I already had some details, so I booked the seat according to that functions. So search the bus. So there are three buses on the date. So Swansea to London, and the bus types and the models, they all are here. So I'm going to book a seat. So this is the booking page. So these are the bus, 61 seats are here, and these are available seats, and the yellow ones are unavailable seats. And if I click one seat, so it's comes green color, so it's a processing seat. If I booked, it shows in red color. So I'm going to book this 6. So only one passenger can book 6 seats, but can't book more than 6 because the database says you can't select up to 6 seats. So only one customer can select 6 seats. So according to that seats, the total fare is calculated. So now I am going to book only one seat. So number 6. So click proceed, and this is the page for the booking details. So here you can see the journey summary, the bus number, and so on to London, the time, depart, and the date, and the fare breakdown. So here you can see the fare, bus fare, it's £54.99, and the service charge is £1. So altogether £55.99. So I can show you the function, how these are working. So bus booking. So here total cost, you can see the service charge £1. So total payments, it's total cost plus service charge. So it's automatically calculated. So you can see the function. So I'm going to proceed, put my details. I already saved some details. So because I put the details and put the email because I put the email here. So then I can get the notification if the seats are booked, like that notification I can get from my email. So I put my correct email here and click proceed. So it's come directly to the checkout, I mean the payment details. If I click this, it's never allow me, it's don't didn't allow me to go. So I need to click choose one Visa card or MasterCard and the card number and expiry date and CVV. Please enter valid CVV. It's 3 digits, so it's never allow me to go. So I give all the validation to this. So we can see the payment. Yeah, payment details. So I give the validations like so CVV. So things like you can see I give all the validation for the card number and validation for expiry date and validation for CVV. So that's why it's we need to give the correct CVV and the card validation numbers and the expiry date. So I put the validation. So according to this validation it works. So I'm going to click pay. It's really directly going to the ticket. So this is my ticket. So you can see the PRES1 to London, and I got the email. This the function. So I got the email. Then I can go to my email and check. Look, your booking confirmation. Yeah, this the email I got. Destination London to Swansea to London. So to London. So date, time, and the seat number and fare cost. So I click here and I can come to the ticket page, so I can download the ticket as well. So look here, it's a ticket PDF. So it's a ticket come like a PDF. So this is the PDF for the ticket, so I can download and the booking reference number as well here. So this is the feature. So this is here you can see. mm, yeah, yeah, here. So I use the PHP mailer, so send to your booking confirmation. So PHP mailer, so this I use this for send the notification via the email, your booking confirmation, and I have one more options as well for the email details or request for the special bus because there's another function. I add one more special functions. You can book a special bus for the trip. So any functions like so you can request for the bus for your trip or any special days in your life. So you can arrange. So I'll come to this later. So now this is the ticket. So ticket page, it's we can download the ticket as well. So now I'm and we can search schedules. So we can search. I need to go to the okay, I search like Swansea to London. Yeah. London. Yeah, here. So you can see I give the time period. So submit. So there's a three time period, three title for the Swansea to London. Three buses, three coaches are here. So you can wear this going to wear the Cardiff. We are reading so the customers can select the bus and they can travel. They can travel happy. So now I'm going to log in as so admin. So this is the admin panel. So I already create one account for the admin because I use one more password management. I give the validation for the password. So you can see here, it's can't see the password. So I give safety precaution. I mean safety password validation I give here. So and you can see my database as well. No one can see the password. They can see the email username as the email is the username, but can't see the password. So no one can log in the system. So only the admin and the registered bus operators can log in their system and see what the come to their panel. So this admin panel. So I don't have enough time to, because 10 to 15 minutes is the allocation, but I think it's more than 15 minutes, so I need to explain quickly. So I already put all the functions are working, and I already update all the things in the my report. So all the functions are working. If you I add some more things. So these are the road panels, so we can add the road and we can add the standard bus. And one more, I need to show the special buses. So I can add new bus. So name, I add in my name. So hire for trip. User, I test the two operators. I put add an AC model number. One, I can choose the image from my PC. So I had my one image for my ghost seat bus. Yeah, I already created lots of buses images as well. So 61 seats. So I can't add because duplicate entry, because already there's the bus coach in this ID. So can't add. So I put the wrong number, because already here the registered number is 1125. There's already there. So now I'm going to put the new number. So to time, choose the image. So choose the image. Yeah. So advanced. So high for trip, this bus added. So you can see this bus in here. So I put the option special buses, so you can see the, yeah, this bus. So here hire for the trip, I already told you we can ask the bus for our special days. So I'm going to book this bus for my trip. So I put my name and the details, and I give my email address, and I need the bus coach for 3rd of May to 8th of May. I need 5 days. This was 5 days I plan to trip. So I put inquiry. So yeah, so it's loading. So yeah, I got the mail. So you can see here. So this the one request for the bus. I mean the coach. So dear, thank you for your bus request with ghost seat. So I'm going to check my email, and I got the email. Yeah, request for the bus. Yeah, I got it. So thank you for your bus request with ghost seat. Details of my name and the NIC, my email, contact number, and the start date to end date. So we will respond to your request soon. So the admin have to respond this. So I'm logging as an admin and going to special buses, bus request. Yeah. So I already confirmed one bus. So I'm going to confirm this the one. So 2485. Yeah, this is the bus ID and number is pending. So I'm confirm this. It's loading because low network connection. So yeah, it's loading. Yeah, I got the mail. Yeah. So now I'm going to check my mail. confirm the bus. So my name, your bus request ID 2485 has been confirmed, so I can get the bus. So this is where I add the new function here. So these functions, I search lots of UK bus companies, but I haven't seen these functions. So search for hire for bus for our special days for trip, like something like that. So now another as well. I'm looking as the operator, but operator. So I already had one operator. So this is the operator dashboard. So operator can view the trips. So how many trips are here? So there's three trips. So he can, well, what are the passengers number? So book those seats. So he can trip date and route number and the deliveries and the passengers details as well he can see. So this is his dashboard. So the operate only he can see the trips because all are validated. Only admin can change, edit, everything admin can do. So operator can only see. So what are the trips, how many trips and how many passengers booked, so only admin can do. So see, these are the functions and one more function, chat box, chatbot. So this my I this like telegram, you know, telegram. So automatically I update some questions, so you can see the chatbot is here. I already had some hi chatbot, I want to help, so I need help like that. So I need help. So if you go to the chatbot and here hi chatbot, I need help. So if I click this, he automatically gives some option. You want what you want. So I need to contact the admin. So it says contact the admin. If you are unable to click the button below here, there's a link. It's came. So I need to I need some booking details. So make booking. So it's little bit help us. So in the few it is I create like a telegram, but in the future I'm going to add a artificial intelligence and I'm going to develop as a perfect AI chatbot. So uh, I have lots of work. I never stop my work here. So I have lots of work to do. I have lots of ideas. This final project, I mean, team development project helped me to do in an individual full stack development as a booking system. So I learned lots of front end design, back end design, and the seat booking functionalities. Like I learned lots of things. So now I'm going to continue my presentation. So I already started. Now the testings. For about this testing as well, I put all the details in my report. So it's all, although um, I did different types of testing, like unit testing for small parts and integration testing for the how parts work together, user acceptance testing to see if the car system meets the user expectations. So example test, for example, I do lots of tests, test booking process, searching for a coach, select a seat, to payment, or I also tested seat availability and search filters to make sure they work correctly. So, and you can see here, this is the testing result for my Go Seat online coach seat reservation system. So these are the success rate and the success percentage you can see in this bar chart. So these are unit testing and declaration testing and user acceptance testing. So these are the success rate. So now I'm dive into critical evaluations. The system has user-friendly interface, real-time updates, mm, and flexibility. Like I divided as strength, weakness, and proposed solution for this. So user-friendly interfaces and real-time updates, agile adaptability. I mean the flexibility in responding to evolving evolving user requirements and the feedback. These are the strength and the weakness like a mobile app. I have an idea for making mobile app for this bus book coach reservation system, iOS and Android. So and limited payment integration. I plan to integrate high quality of payment integration, but I don't have enough time, so I do my best in this process, and I have time. So I learned a lot of things, and they all help my future work. So and the proposed solutions, the pure future cross-platform mobile app, integration and additional payment system, and said chatbot AI. Yeah, I already told you. So now contribution to the knowledge. I mean, what are the knowledge I gain on this project? So I domain innovation. I introduced to user-centric coach, is reservation platform, and combine features from leading, seed admin user roles into one streamlined solution. So applied finding from literature and case studies, safe design and future systems. So practical application of agile. So demonstrated successfully implemented of agile systems. So this project introduced a new user for focused seat reservation system for the UK. So I combined useful features from the system into one. So I followed agile practices alone, and the system is scalable for future improvements like mobile apps and the loyalty programs. So these are the future works. So I'm going to do. I never stop from here. So I have lots of work in my future. So I need to prepare, develop dedicated Android and iOS apps for this system, and multilingual support, expand the platform usability by adding language options as well, and advanced payment integration and AI-based travel suggestions and marketing and loyalty systems as well. So I have lots of plans. So in my future, so I going to do lots of things. So now I'm going to conclude. So to summarize, the GoSeat is a simple, reliable, and user-focused coach booking system for the UK. So I achieve important goals like creating admin and user modules, a clean interface, and the working booking system. This project helped me to improve my skills in agile and full stack development and system design. So I learned a lot. So these are the reference for the um, the I did the literature review. So I check my bus and National Express like that buses, and I get some details about the software development life cycle for agile. So these are the references. And now finally, if you have any question, you can don't hesitate to ask me anytime. So from here, so I'm going to stop, and thank you for watching, and thank you for supporting me. And one more thing, I need to thank to my supervisor and the module leader. They helped me a lot, and my supervisor, he always, I met him physically, he guide me a lot. He gave his um, full talented, and he's a talented man. He guide me perfectly, and in literature review, he guide me a lot. He guide me. You have to change like this, and he give points by point format, and he mail. If I mail him anytime, um, he reply the next time. So the following time. So he helped me a lot. So thank you for my supervisor, and I need to thank to Cardiff Med because I'm an international student, and for this individual project, so I learned a lot, and Cardiff Med gave me a good opportunity. So I think I perfectly use this. So thank you very much. Thank you.